Need to set realistic delivery times that keep buyers happy while giving you enough time to deliver quality work? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set optimal delivery times for your Fiverr gigs that balance customer expectations with your workflow. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your delivery time is one of the most important factors buyers consider when ordering, and getting it right can significantly impact your reviews and repeat business. Let me guide you through setting smart delivery timelines. First, access your gig editor and navigate to the delivery time settings, usually found in the packages section. Here you'll set the turnaround time for each of your gig packages separately. Calculate your actual working time realistically by considering all factors: initial review, creation time, revisions, and any potential delays. Always build in buffer time for unexpected issues or communication delays with buyers. Match delivery times to package complexity. Your basic package might have a standard delivery time, while premium packages with more features might need slightly longer. Alternatively, you can offer faster delivery for higher tier packages as a premium feature. Consider your current workload when setting delivery times. If you're already managing multiple orders, avoid setting artificially short delivery times that you can't consistently meet. A crucial pro tip: use the Express Delivery Extra to offer faster turnaround for an additional fee. This satisfies buyers who need rush service while appropriately compensating you for prioritizing their order. Also, remember that delivery time starts when the buyer provides all necessary information, so clearly state what you need from them to begin work. And just like that, you've set delivery times that keep both you and your buyers happy. Realistic timelines prevent stress and ensure you can consistently deliver quality work on time. If this guide helps you establish better delivery time practices, please give it a like. How do you balance fast delivery with quality work in your gigs? Share your strategies in the comments below. To continue growing your Fiverr business, subscribe for our next video on how to get your first order on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.